Hey everyone, so today we're gonna unboxing some album from Treasure's latest comeback. So let's see how many there's inside. Okay, we got, so it's from the German shop Neo Tokyo, and we have some posters. Okay, many of them, and albums. Oh my god, so heavy. Ooh. Okay, there are more to come because I bought 10 of them. Let me open 2 of them first. We're gonna start with the white one. So we have Treasures, the First Step, Chapter 3. The white version, the front, sides, and the back. It's kind of my first Treasure album that I ever bought. Oh, green. Wow. Jansak. That's great. Asai. Thank you. Yedam. Ooh. Thank you, so cute. Jihun. Haruto. Jongwan. Oh, so here's the photo cards and the other stuff. So what's that? Poster. It's cute. The back. Can't really tell what it is. And we have many stuffs here. Look at him. Oh, what a baby. Jongwan. Doyoung. So cute. How many photo cards are there? Oh my god. What's that? Sticker? Kind of. I don't know. I really don't know what's here and there. Thank you. Oh my god. It's the cutest. What's that? Help. I really don't know about those treasure benefits or photo cards. So sorry. I guess that's the right photo card, the official one. Haruto. Cool. And this one, I really don't know. Okay. It's an event card. So moving on. John. Yoshi. I really love Yoshi. He's so cute and adorable. Mashio. J-Line are kinda cute. Okay, the group photo. It's only one group photo. Ooh, wow. What's that? That's amazing. Oh my god, I like this. Oh my god. I really like this. So it's the lyrics card but page, but it's so pretty. Wow. Those pictures with those neon color on the back. Masha. Asahi. Doyoung. Ooh. Asahi. That boy. Orange. That's a great page. Look at this. Ooh. Blue color. It's really good. Yedan. Oh, I like this. I like this album. Oh my god! They really put this on the last page. Hyunsuk, oh. So beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. We have the last page. The city. That's cool. Another white version. Yes, it's another Haruto. This one that I don't know what to do. This Chungyu. It's really the same photo card. It's kind of exactly same album with the same photo card as before. Oh my god. It's really the exactly same album with the same photo cards and other stuff inside. We got Hyunsuk. Please don't let this one be the exactly same version. Oh, Yoshi. Oh, stop. It's stuck. Taeyok. Did I have this one? I think not. Okay. It's a new one. Taeyok. The back. Another Taeyok. Many of Taeyok here. Oh yeah, the back. It's the same as the other. Yes. The back of those photo cards are exactly the same. This one. Haruto. And the photo card. We have Jiun. Park Jiun. I forgot to show you the postcard. We have. Oh, I really like the color. Oh my god. Jungwoo. We have Jungwoo. Jaehyuk. And Yiram. And Seungkyu. So, the black version. exactly the same. You can see how cold it is outside because you can't see my handprint. It's black. I already like this. Oh, the diamonds. Wow. Okay, black is kind of dangerous and mysterious, and I kind of like this. Thank you. Oh, black is really good. It's the dark side of treasure. Oh. Doyo is still a baby. Yoshi. Asahi. His hair in the dark concept, it's really suiting. That's cool. This page is really cool. Nashi. Do I think I like... Oh my god. I really like this one. Can you see it? Wow. Oh my god. YG is so amazing. I have to say this. I kind of hate YG, but the album design is really good. Okay, again we have the poster. It's the same one. Every version has the same mini poster with this back that I still don't know what it is. Then many photo cards and other stuff. The sticker. It's kind of cool, but I really don't use stickers from albums. Bang Yedam. Oh, that's cute. Yedam. This one again. Don't know what it is, how to use. Or is this... No. I really thought that you can use this like this, but... What that? I don't know. I really don't know what it is. Then we have... Oh, Doyo is really the cutest baby. And so cute. The photo card. They are... It's the first edition only photo card. That's nice. Oh. Thank you. Wow. Oh my god. Those photo shoots are so good. It's really showed that YG image. The cool side. The neon though, oh my god. I got this. You can kind of see the diamond that's moving. I don't know. I think that's the reason for this card. Otherwise, I don't know. I really don't know. He's amazing. Guys, come on. This page. Daddy. Ooh. Jihoon. Park Jihoon. Back. Wait, there's more? No. It's a CD. Sorry. I really thought that there's also another card. Okay. CD. It's pretty. I really like the black color. More of the black version. Sticker. So. Seonsak. This is Dayoung. Taeyok. I really got many Taeyok photo cards. Asahi. Mashi. Mashio photo card. I really like those photo cards with the holograph. Taeyok again. Why are there so many Taeyok photo cards out there? Jongwon. Another Dobby. Sticker. And Hirami. We got another Jihoon. Mashi! So cute. Oh my god, there's so many Mashi here. Oh my god, I like this one. Yedam. Oh, very dark. And so I already have this one. Postcard. Jihoon. I have so many Jihoon and Hyunsuk. Wow. The very last one. Jungkook. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is so cute. Yedam? It's the same one. Doyoung. I think I already have this one too. And Taeyong. I think I have 5 of this one. Still cute. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!